All parties Hurriyat Conference has stressed the need to resolve the Kashmir dispute in historical context in line with the aspirations of the people of the Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement issued in Srinagar said iron fist and military policy adopted by the BJP-led government to subdue the Kashmiri people could not break their freedom resolve. An Indian government tribunal has confirmed the ban on the Democratic Freedom Party led by the incarcerated senior APHC leader Shabir Ahmed Shah. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian Ministry of the Home Affairs in October 2023 had declared Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party as unlawful association. Kashmiris will not tolerate those advancing the Hindutva BJP RSS agenda in occupied Kashmir, and they are determined to continue the resistance against India's illegal occupation and shutting down doors on the traitors. According to Kashmir Media Service, this was stated by the Kashmiri civil society members in their media interviews in Srinagar. Democratic Freedom Party led by the jailed senior APHC leader Shabir Ahmed Shah has appealed to the Kashmiri masses to maintain austerity and the high spirit of the real Islamic values during the fasting month in Ramadan. According to Kashmir Media Service, DFP spokesman Advocate Arshad Iqbal said this in a statement. Indian National Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir has expressed concern over indifference shown by the authorities towards releasing payments of the Kashmiri contractors against the work done despite incompletion of the financial year. Congress leader Ghulam Ahmad Mir made these comments while reacting to the economic crisis confronting the contractors in the territory. An Indian Border Security Force constable was found dead in the Baramulla district. According to Kashmir Media Service, BSF constable identified as Rutumani of the 143rd Battalion hailing from the Assam state was found dead in a pool of blood at a sentry's post at the office in the Baramulla.